Power shit, good life, throw it in the air, still there. Let's go, man. I'm already there. Ha ha. Sing it, y'all. Sing it. Say.
I'm already there.
Sing it with me, y'all. Say. I'm
Already there.
Ha ha. Say. I'm
Already there.
People always question when you seem to have a dream. Please apply the pressure. I love challenges. I'm keen. That's why I take the long route with everything I scheme and hold my brain accountable for everything I've seen. Acting like I did in '96 when I was 10. Backseat of a truck yelling, "Daddy, Daddy, where?" When we reach the destination that we heading. Understanding that I keep on moving for 11 years plus 3. Oh wait, that's old as me. Roller coasting harder than I'd ever even dream. Since '09, lot of shit changed. Even been a year, but check the RPM gauge. Metal with my eyes closed, whistling, cracking champagne with anybody listening. Spend a couple seconds racing with the hands of time. Now I'm up in Vancouver on my grind. Say with me, y'all.
I'm already there.
Say.
I'm already there.
One more time, y'all.
I'm already there.
Say, Allie. Say.
I'm already there.
The man that almost quit be the only man I fear. He the only one who watching what we did in 1 year. He the one who watched me go from soul to light year and got jealous when we succeeded at this right here. I say we go cause we get it. Yeah, good life cause we literally live it. Check the videos, we already having fun. Shout to Socrates, we already on the run. Trying to stay relevant, this ain't a rerun. When awards come, I ain't trying to see this one. Vancouver love me and I love her right back. Fly across the country, try and put her on the map. They say I'm the one, but I ain't really one to act upon what others will say, so I'ma just leave it at that. Get a long way to go, don't get it confused, I'm something new, I am the future, so I'm never looking back, boy.